coming home now. Tegan likes looking out and riding. You what?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Tegan likes riding up top. She calls it, she wants to go wee. So she goes up top. Hello.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. One ball.
What do you think, Tigers?
Done.
Yeah?
Can you put it back? Can you do it? Keep pushing.
It's like up too high. There's a light in there.
It's done.
Yeah?
Ooh. What do you say? What do you tell Grampy?
You're welcome.
Where are we going?
We are currently headed to Gallerias, which is one of the bigger malls in Saltillo.
Also go to these restaurants that are behind the mall. There's like a coffee shop and this little like pastry area. We haven't had the pastries there, but Doren's had the coffee there. And he said it was okay. But we're more interested in like the pastries because they have like their whole like operation like displayed behind, like they're doing it behind glass. It's super cool looking. And it's just a really cool area too. It's like really modern for the city. So we're gonna go check out the pastries, go walk around, have some fun. So change of plans. You could park right over there. That's a pretty tree. It's like hollowed out. That's weird. Okay.
So the restaurant's off the beaten path, so we're hoping it'll be good. It's not as big as Querétaro gorditas, but a Querétaro are like as big as my hand. These ones are small, but it's okay. Still gonna be good. The pollo. That's pollo. And you got two potatoes. You see what I was talking about?
Are you ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
Estos están en 40 pesos, pero los que tengo ahorita no están buenos, ya están buenos.
Underneath the cover of all the stars, staring right at us, lying on the ground so still, with our heads over the hills.
Good chocolate, but kind of a bit thick, a bit starchy. But other than that, it's good. I mean, it's not like a pan au chocolat, but it's pretty similar. Pan au chocolat's a little bit lighter, pretty got a Latin twist to it, but it's good. I like it.
Look at the air pockets. So fluffy.
You gonna try the Prado? Do it! Okay. We're outside getting wet. I have no idea if this camera's gonna pick up the sound at all. But we're out playing in the rain. It's so cold right now. I think it's getting colder. It's starting to rain harder. I guess it's maybe like mid to high 50s right now. Are you done? You ready to go inside? You ready to go inside? Okay, tell the camera bye. Say goodbye. Bye.